Hi everybody! I wanted to create this video to talk to you a little bit about our advanced skincare set and how to use each of the pieces that are in the set. And so let me just show you first what the set consists of. So we start with our Botanical face wash. We have our Luma Boost, and you get two of these in the box. You get your eye serum and of course our night and day cream. So let me tell to go through each one of the pieces, and I'll also share with you how to use that. So we're going to of course start with our Botanical face wash. And so what you want to do is on a dry face, on dry skin, you're going to put, oops, also cleaning my keyboard at the same time, is you're going to put 2 or 3 pumps into your hand, and you're going to put it on dry skin. It's going to take off all your makeup, so don't even bother using all those chemicals to take off your makeup. You're just going to put it on dry, and then you're going to wet it, and because I didn't want to get too much water near my computer, we'll use a nice wet face cloth, and you're going to then have it become a foam by using the water, and it's going to wash all of that right off. What you'll notice is once you're done, let me now dry my face off, is your skin is going to feel really refreshed and super smooth. So that is the first product that you will get in that advanced skincare set. Now let me tell you what that is all about. So the double cleansing face wash, it helps to remove your makeup and impurities. It provides gentle yet effective cleaning, removes the effects of air pollution on the skin surface, and has a pH that works in harmony with your skin. It's ideal for all skin types. It's dermatology tested. Now it does have sea whip extract in it, so there's an argument as to whether or not it's pescatarian or vegan, but it's at least pescatarian, and that exclusive blend of sea whipped extract is also combined with japonica juice and raffinose that are known to really moisturize the skin, which is why that's in it, and that's why your skin feels absolutely amazing once you've used that. Now the next step is you're going to want to use our Luma Boost. And so when you first get it, you're going to press down, breaking the seal, and then you're going to have to mix it together because it's got niacinamide and vitamin C, and it's capsulated in 2 different compartments to keep it as fresh as possible. So then you're just going to put, depending on, again, I usually go from here to here, so I use a lot more than just 2 pumps, but let's just do 2 pumps for now. And you're just going to put it, as I'm just going to use my face for right now, you're just going to put it everywhere and let that soak in. Again, as I said, it's niacinamide and vitamin C, so let me tell you a little bit more about that. And I'm reading so that I don't forget anything, because you're probably sitting there going like, well, if she can do this, so can I. Okay, so what does it do? So Luma Boost, it features our proprietary complex, which contains ingredients that work to brighten the skin's appearance and help to even your skin tone. It helps shield the skin from environmental stressors. It also plumps and moisturizes the skin. So it fights the appearance of discoloration and uneven skin tone, skin damage caused by air pollution. If you can put it on right on the skin just like I did, or you can mix it in with your night or your day cream, your foundation, or your sunscreen. It's also dermatology tested, and it is completely vegan. So now we're in the daytime, so I am going to use our day cream, and so it's nice and white colored, very light. You're just going to use a couple of pumps and smooth that right on over top of the Luma Boost. And it is super lightweight. Men love this. it's great for using after shaving. Actually, our face wash is fantastic to use instead of shaving cream because it really helps the hairs to stand up, gets you a nice close shave, and it doesn't irritate the skin. So now you're good to go. Unless, of course, you want to put on some sunscreen, which is not part of the set. But that is an add-on that you can do. So now, one of the reasons that a lot of people like the advanced skincare set is it also contains our eye serum. So the eye serum has both instant and long-term benefits. Before I get to that, let me just tell you the benefits. You know what? I'll tell you the benefits on the night and day at the same time. So the eye serum, if this is important, you're gonna on your ring finger because that has the least pressure. You're gonna put just a little bit of a drop, and then I just take my two ring fingers, kind of go like this, and you're gonna dab the product underneath your eye, on your eyelid, go right out to where the crow's feet develop, right in to where the 11s are. And now let me do the other side. It's kind of funny when you're looking at yourself in reverse. It's not quite the same as looking at yourself in the mirror. So the eye, and then up here, there we go. Now the reason that you want to dab and not smear is because when you smear, it doesn't adhere and you'll get white, funny looking little, it almost looks like little droplets underneath your eye. If you see that, it's because you're not putting the product on properly. Come back and watch this again. All right, so let me tell you first about the eye serum. So it has Sig 1191, which is an exclusive ingredient that works as an antioxidant. So now this product delivers both instant and long-term benefits. So the eye serum helps to deliver immediate reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, supports the skin's natural structure, matches your skin's natural pH level, ensuring optimal skin health. Now that is super important. A lot of eye serums and tips and tricks don't support that and can actually damage the skin underneath your eye. So be careful about that. It also firms and brightens the appearance of the eye area. It fights the appearance of dot circles, puffiness, lines, and wrinkles. It's perfect for using around your eyes, especially the crow's feet, and it's dermatologically and ophthalmologically tested. Also a vegan product. Now I used our day cream. Let me just move this out of the way. I used our day cream. If it was nighttime, I would do exactly the same thing with our night treatment. I would just put 2 or 3 pumps in. I would put it on exactly the same way as I did the day cream. It dries to the natural color of your skin, so it doesn't look like a mask, yet it will feel like a mask. It tightens, it tones, and it removes the pollution from your skin overnight. So if when the first couple of times that you use it, it feels really tacky, or it could even like go on for a while and it's feeling fabulous, and then all of a sudden it starts to feel tacky. The reason it's feeling tacky is because it's removing the pollution from your skin and it's holding it inside of that product until you wash it off the next morning. So if it's feeling tacky, it's because you've really come into contact with a lot of environmental stressors and pollution. So that's the night cream. So let me tell you about both of those. So the day cream, we'll start with that. The day cream really acts as a powerful antioxidant to help maintain your skin's healthy looking glow. It boosts the skin's natural renewal process to reveal younger looking skin. It mimics the skin's natural properties. Yep, anybody can do this. To diminish the signs of aging, it binds moisture to your skin for a long-lasting, lightweight hydration. And it fights the appearances of fine lines, wrinkles, discoloration, uneven skin texture, enlarged pores, sagging skin. It's perfect for use on the face, the neck, the décolletage, and the hands, dermatology tested and vegan. And then our night cream, as I said, helps to transform tired looking skin. It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, instantly tightens and tones and firms the skin's appearance. It addresses existing and future signs of aging. It works to remove the skin drying urban stressors, otherwise pollution, accumulated during the day improves your skin clarity, radiance, and provides smoother skin texture. Gently adheres to the skin, helping ensure maximum delivery of the key ingredients. And this baby is packed with active key ingredients. And it also helps to fight the appearance of discoloration, enlarged pores, sagging skin, perfect for use on your face, your neck, your décolletage, and the hands. And so that makes up our advanced skincare set. And when you purchase a set like that, what I love about Neora is that you may not go through the products in the same rate, but typically it is made for a 30-day consumption. But a lot of times that face wash will last you even longer. You do not need, unless of course you're using it every 30 days, you do not need to buy the entire set. You can buy the pieces that you need and still save money with your Neora cash.